If you're finding it tough to get your makeup just right for mature skin, you're in the right spot. I get how tricky it can be to find the best products and techniques as we age. In this video, I'm sharing 15 key makeup tips, especially for women over 50. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, sagging skin, or simply want to bring a youthful sparkle back to your look, I've got some great advice for you. Don't miss out on the special tip I'll reveal at the end. It will absolutely transform your makeup game. Use less foundation for a more natural look. Let's start with number 15. Now, less is often more when it comes to foundation, and you might find that using a lighter touch could be more flattering than piling on a product. Heavy foundations, especially those with a matte finish, can settle into fine lines and make them more noticeable. Instead, try a lightweight liquid foundation that blends smoothly into your skin to get that radiant and natural glow. Apply it little by little and focus only on areas where you need coverage. If you need extra coverage for specific concerns, you can always use a separate concealer on top. Additionally, choosing a foundation shade that perfectly matches your skin tone can make a big difference in getting a healthy, youthful look. You should also take the time to find the right shade, which helps you look your best and avoid adding years to your age. Prioritize moisturizing for a flawless base. Number 14 is also skin-related. As we age, taking care of our skin becomes even more important, and choosing the right products can make all the difference. Never forget, healthy skin is the foundation of any makeup application. Mature skin often becomes drier, so applying extra moisture into your routine is key. Try a rich, occlusive moisturizer that creates a barrier to lock in hydration. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which helps keep moisture, and try adding nourishing oils like mineral, argan, jojoba, or olive, as well as shea butter to keep your skin soft and balanced. Make eye cream a must-have in your routine. If you think a moisturizer is enough, you're wrong, which is why I added number 13 separately. Ever wondered if eye cream is really necessary? Well, it absolutely is. Eye cream plays a huge role in brightening the eye area and slowing down the formation of lines and wrinkles. While it may not replace Botox, it creates a smooth, plump base that helps concealer go on more evenly and prevents it from settling into fine lines. To get the most benefit, apply your eye cream after your serum and before your moisturizer. Gently dab it onto your eyelids, around your eyes, and under your eyes using your ring finger, and avoid any dragging or rubbing of this sensitive area. Go easy with the eyebrows. Number 12 can be a bit tricky, as it needs a bit of practice to master it. But as we age, our eyebrows often become sparser, so it's very important to learn how we fill them in. I recommend using an eyebrow pencil that's no more than a couple shades darker than your natural hair color. As you get older, going for a lighter shade will create a more natural and flattering look. If you're looking for a longer-lasting solution, try microblading. This semi-permanent technique involves an esthetician applying fine, hair-like strokes to your brows using local anesthesia. It's a popular choice for getting the full brow look and can save you time on your daily makeup routine. Cream blush instead of contouring. Now moving on to number 11. I know a lot of you love contouring, and I don't blame you, but it just doesn't sense. I always advise to skip traditional contouring as it can sometimes create harsh lines and make features appear more pronounced. Instead, try using a light sweep of bronzer to add warmth, or, for a more vibrant touch, apply a cream blush. To easily enhance your look, dab a light layer of cream blush onto the apples of your cheeks. This technique gives you an instant boost of radiance with a natural, youthful flush that brightens your complexion. Creamy lips over matte. Listen to number 10 carefully if you want to avoid your lips looking as dry as my ex-husband's cookies. When it comes to lip color, creamy and glossy formulations are often more flattering than matte ones, especially as our lips can become drier with age. Try softer pastel shades for a fuller, more youthful look. That said, don't shy away from a bold, bright lip. Its mood-boosting effects are undeniable, and it can brighten up your entire look. Just be sure to choose a softer, creamier formula, or add a layer of gloss to keep your lips looking smooth and hydrated. Never skip sunscreen. Number 9 is non-negotiable, and I cannot emphasize it enough. Among all the makeup tips for mature skin, one crucial step is applying sun protection every single day. A sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, ideally 50, is essential for keeping your skin healthy and enhancing your makeup. For added protection, choose a foundation with SPF to layer on top of your sunscreen. This combination helps prevent wrinkles and, even more importantly, guards against skin cancer. Use eyeliner strategically. Now that I've cleared that out, we can move on to number 8. Using eyeliner effectively can make a big difference in how refreshed and awake your eyes look, but that doesn't mean you should use it like everyone else does. Not everyone has the same eye shape, and not every eyeliner shape will complement everyone. Instead, tailor your eyeliner technique to your eye shape. If you have deep-set eyes, apply eyeliner along your upper lash line for a subtle enhancement. For those with eyelids that seem to vanish when your eyes are open, focus on the waterline and outer corners to define your eyes without emphasizing a lack of lid space. For a dramatic yet natural effect, you can also use ultra-natural false lashes such as individuals to open up lined or hooded eyelids. If you prefer a longer-term solution, hybrid lash extensions can also be a great option for you. Invest in quality tools. As for number 7, can you make dough without a rolling pin? No. This is the same with makeup without the right tools. If you're still using the small applicators and flimsy puffs that come with your makeup, it's time for an upgrade. Professionals always rely on full-size brushes and sponges for precise application and seamless blending. When using a sponge or foundation brush, remember to use a tap-blend technique rather than swiping to make sure that your makeup is applied and blended as much as possible rather than wiped away. Always wet the sponge and squeeze out any excess before use to achieve the best blending results. The finishing touch: powder with care. Moving on to the 6th item. For a polished finish, a light application of powder can be just the thing, but only if you use it wisely. Applying just a bit of powder through the center of your face can help you achieve a smoother and refined look. But remember to use it with care, and do not apply it if your skin falls on the drier side. As I always say, the key to makeup is enhancing your natural features without overdoing it. Find the right shimmer for you. With that being said, it's time for number 5. Ladies, I want all of you to forget the outdated rules about shimmer for older women. Yes, it can look very weird and highlight your wrinkles more if you apply it wrong, but with the right shade, you will shine like a diamond. Using a champagne nude shimmer on your lids and slightly under your brow bone looks wonderful as it makes your eyes look brighter and gives a very subtle light to your face, and you look fantastic. The key is to choose subtle shimmer that complements your natural features rather than overwhelming them. Try a smoky eye for a youthful look. Right on to number 4. Now, many women, including myself, find eyeshadows a bit tricky, especially as we age. I've learned that going bold can sometimes be too much, so I stick with a smoky eye. If you're unsure, this classic look offers an eye-catching yet youthful look. The key is to blend well and choose complementary colors. I love using browns, deep browns, blacks, and occasionally vibrant shades like blues, greens, or ambers. Overall, stick with colors that match your skin's complexion. Plump up your lips. Time for number 3. Well, it's no rocket science that our lips naturally become thinner. You don't need a bunch of extra products like lip liners to fix this. Sometimes, a simple lip gloss does the trick. Just add a dab of gloss over your lipstick to instantly create a fuller, plumper look. But remember to test the product first before applying it all. You'll thank me later. Say goodbye to super dark lipsticks. I'll continue with the lips with number 2. I'm sorry, but super dark lipsticks often don't complement mature skin. Unless you have a naturally dark complexion, it's best to steer clear of deep browns and plums. Instead, look for shades that are only slightly darker than your natural lip color. Think soft pinks and rosy reds. These shades are more flattering and can enhance your look beautifully. Fall in love with black mascara. Last but not least, number 1. Ladies, believe me when I say that black mascara is a game changer. It makes the whites of your eyes appear brighter and gives your lashes a fuller look. For added depth, try using a tinted primer before applying mascara. You can also consider investing in a lash-enhancing serum. As we age, our eyelashes can become thinner and more prone to breakage, but a good serum can help strengthen and nourish them. Bonus tip. Now, here's my bonus tip as I promised. Now, most makeup artists know the secret to a flawless finish often starts with a bit of pre-makeup pampering. Even the best products can't fully mask a tired, parched complexion or the effects of a late night without a little extra care. To prep your skin effectively, elevate your serum and moisturizer application with a soothing yet circulation-boosting facial massage. You can use your fingertips, a jade roller, or a gua sha stone for that. For the best results, apply your products to a well-lubricated surface for a smoother application. Start with gentle upward strokes from the base of your neck, and then move from the center of your face outwards across your cheeks and along your jawline. Massage your forehead with light, circular movements from the center outwards. For an added boost, chill the roller or stone in the freezer for a few minutes or keep it in the fridge. The cooling effect will help reduce puffiness and under-eye bags, giving your face a refreshed and revitalized look before you even start your makeup.